leaving Iloilo, and I'm not sure when I will be back. I enjoy a lot here, but I did not eat all the food that I want. Since I'm leaving the next day, a simple preparation for my departure, leaving my friends and my family again. But Filipino tradition, even though a simple fly away, a simple party is provided.
Sige kayo na
Hey,
kampiyon to kaper.
mi amiga, ¿cómo estamos? Muy buenas.
Hindi ka ginawa ha?
Pa-picture kami, anay, pa-picture.
Hindi ka na maginawa ha? Kasi mautot.
Anong palma? Anong palma?
What is ready? Waiting for you.
Iya, diputar. Mon, ano yung gate doon?
Apa yang dalam? Oke. Oke, tama na lang basi mamotor ka pa, basi makakon ka. Pasanan na gani motor na kulay, pasanan na lang. Ang ajak mo na ayo, balok-balok Penoy. Penoy, white na Penoy. Wala na kwan.
Disgrasya.
Paano magulong kalat? Kalat.
Ang gabligya balot. Ginimo nila nga customer. Mga kaibigan, mga muyo kita, my friends and my subscriber, once again, you love and be loved. He wants again. Everybody busy. Busy man kung busy ah. Hindi na lang alang ko na. Ano, pit minutes pa tiyo.
Ay, okay. Ready. Ano na?
Lanya, it look like we have a party in Guam, night. We lanya. Oh, too much food, like too much food. We have a barbecue, night. Hot dog, whew. Dan kulo na si Jus Mahasi, ha. Eh, Chamorro. Migo.
25 buwan lang. Winters.
Oh, grabe lagi na.
Oy, tama na yan ha, kasi nagkabuto ka. Tama na yan ha?
Experience mo. Ayo.
Jay, may ice cream. Renzo, may ice cream da, oh. Sa freezer, oh, tapos may cone.
Uy, gainom. Sila tinawag ka pa. Uy, open mo nga na sila sa
Wala pa? Hindi, namin ang uso sa bukid. Wala mo kung paano na. Kanya, kung pagkita mo. Mas paano ko lang. Ako yung design. Hindi, masaya ko. Hindi, ang mga sense doon. Ang mga sense doon. Gusto niya. Ipatay mo na yun. Ipatay mo na. Patiwat mo na ako. May bigas.
Yes.
Yes, pero lang ba?
Sige, bumili pa. This is the moment. The moment of truth. I am leaving Iloilo, and I'm not sure when I will be back. I enjoy a lot here, but I did not eat all the food that I want. But Iloilo, I love you the most. See you when I see you. To all my friends and my subscribers, don't worry, I'll be back. Beautiful Iloilo. I hope it will not rain today. Gonna look for something to drink. Mercy, mercy, mercy. Here we go, Iloilo. Sad that when I took this vacation, I have to attend the celebration of life of my father. But that's life it is. We have to take it. Enjoy your life as much as you can if you have a spare time. But what I don't like here in the terminal, no Wi-Fi at all. I'm very happy to see my family smiling and we join together. We eat a simple food, share together, share some sad moments and laughter. The passing of our father is just like a renewal or a reunion of our family. For my departure, because everyone is so very busy, we don't have any other choice but just to stop by here in Jollibee just to get some bucket of fish. And you know, in the Philippines, if you order rice with chicken, sometimes that includes some French fries too. Wow. But everything we shared. And bye lang eh. Bye lang dyan. See you when I see you. Goodbye, Philippines. Okay? Okay. Bye-bye.
I-share na kami dyan.
Expect the unexpected. Special thanks to Phones and Barbs Mularty for the special time and special moments that you spend with us. We don't have any plan to split at all. They drop me off the airport, but still, they wants to be at the airport for longer time. But anyway, Moon is here. Thanks for all your help. And nagpa-picture pa. Wow. Thanks, Mon. Thanks for everything. And by closing this, as a Loria family, during the saddest moment of our life and the happiest moment of our life, thank you for all the kindness that you have provided as a family in a whole time when I was there. My friends, thanks for watching again. Have a pleasant day.